Hello everyone, welcome to You Can Hack channel, or you can say UC Hack channel. So now today the topic is Trojan horse, okay? And Trojan is a malware that is used to gather the information from attacker systems, right? And in this topic you will get more detailed information about what is Trojan, what is the purpose of creating Trojans, what components, types of Trojan, remote access Trojans, backdoor Trojans, Botnet Trojans, and there are a number of types or Rootkit Trojans, e-banking Trojans, Defacement Trojans, Mobile Trojans, IoT Trojans, DDos Trojans, and then finally we'll get to know how to infect systems using a Trojan. Then we'll see employing dropper, wrapper, cryptor. These are the components of malware. I hope you aware about it. Then propagating and deploying a Trojan. These all are the topics we'll cover in our videos for specific Trojans, right? If you have any questions, please let us know. Let me start it. Okay, so Trojan horse, I believe you remember the story of this Trojan horse, right? And these all are the topics those we will cover here, okay? And all this, yep. And if you have any questions, let me know. So in the first part, we'll cover this much till Trojan types. Okay. So I don't want to make videos like more than 30 minutes. So for 30 minutes, around 20, 25, 30, maximum 30, these topics are quite enough to brief till this frame. Okay. Let's start with Trojan and the part 1 of video. Here we'll discuss about Trojan introductions, purpose of attackers to create Trojans, Trojan common ports, and Trojan types. Okay, so what is this Trojan malware? What is the Trojan? It is basically a program in which the malicious code or harmful code is contained. It later gained control and caused damage. Predefined actions required from target to activate the Trojans, like click and download the program. And the effect would be destroy, change, and transmit. Like, here is an attacker This is the attacker and this is our target. Okay, to target from attacker to reach from attacker to target, what is required here? First, the medium, right? But we are talking about the Trojan. Okay, means that is already, or you can say to download it, we need something, we need the actions from this target. Okay, we need to trick it like this. If there is a link, then this user has to click on this link, and then the Trojan will get, the program will get downloaded into the systems. Knowingly and unknowingly, if they click to install, then if they install, then the that particular malicious harmful code will start working as a malware or Trojan. Okay, and Trojan's task is basically, once it is installed, then later it starts gain the control and cause damages, like to delete the files, to fetch confidential information, destroy, change, a number of things. Okay, apart from that, we have indication of attack. How do we know that a Trojan attacked? There is a Trojan in my system. These are really very interesting here. Let me brief these one by one for you. The very first one is computer screen blinks and flip upside down. It means there is something wrong in your system. Then default background and wallpaper changed automatically. Printers start printing automatically and sound systems starts fluctuating. Date and time of computer changes. Mouse cursor move by itself. Windows start button disappears. Keyboard and mouse freezes and the mouse automatically starts moving. Okay, these all are the indication that your system is in attack. Okay, so there is a Trojan in your system if you have these indications. Okay, so this is just for information. Let's next slide. Purpose. Yeah, purpose of attackers to create Trojan. What they want to achieve actually by creating Trojans. First is generate fake traffic to perform DDoS attack. Okay, generate fake traffic. Then with Trojans, they got the complete control of the remote end, okay, of a victim. They can take screenshot, they can record audios, videos, they can delete the OS critical files, okay, because with Trojans, they will have the same level of access as the users. If there are vulnerabilities in that system, then Trojan tried to oh, exploit those vulnerabilities and try to get more permissions, more authorizations into the system. So it can affect more frequently and can affect other computers too. Use victim PC for spamming emails. Okay, you can send the emails from their systems. Download spyware, adware, malicious files. You can download anything in there. Disable firewall and antivirus. Create backdoors. Use the victim PC as a botnet to perform DOS attack. Steal sensitive information. Encrypt the victim system and prevent from accessing. Attacker might use a compromised system for illegal activities. Trojan can serve as a delivery mechanism for other type of malwares including viruses. I'm repeating it. Trojans can serve as a delivery mechanism for other type of malwares because Trojan is also itself a malware. Okay, it serves as a delivery mechanism. If you want to deploy any viruses because you have a Trojan, you are already there, then you can just copy and paste your malware in there. Okay, so these all are the information. The more important point is you have to make sure about this point. Attacker might use a compromised system for illegal activities. So in this case, if attacker use the other system for illegal activities, then a, a case registered would be case registered on the victim. Okay, and you have to explain. You did not, you did not perform this. But it was your system. Okay? So this is the purpose of Trojans. Trojans can do at that much level. It's really gonna be interesting. Okay, so let's move it a little bit more. Yeah, Trojan Common pods. In Trojans, if I'll talk about the ports, there are software ports and hardware ports, right? Hardware ports we are all aware. Then software ports like those defined by the applications. In the scenarios of Trojan, listening state is more important because whenever the system reboots, Trojan put itself in the listening mode for its ports. There are types of ports. Some ports used for listening, some ports used for data transfer, right? It depends upon the Trojan. There are number of Trojans. There are a huge list of Trojans, right? I've written here only few. Okay. You need to be expertise in only one or two. Like when you will go in that field only, then you have to think, okay, you will get more experience with different tools. Like the Shiver is using 113 port, Dragonfly 139, TCP wrapper Trojan 43421, WannaCry, Petya, Dragonfly 2.0 use 445. 445 is used for SMB normally, but here Trojan use this port. uh, Quetch this GDOR, Gold Message, Dolly Dragon, Rat, NG Rat. I did this practical, okay, in the labs. NG Rat, yeah, it uses 117. Believe me, Trojan is at next level. It can do anything in your system. Siemens Spy, Sena Spy, back office DLL, girlfriend, this. Okay, it's time. It's time. It's time of Trojan types. Here you can see like a stair. Let's start with Trojan types one by one. The very first is remote access Trojans. Okay, these are called rats. So this is the one. There are number of rats Trojans. So these are the types rat. Second is backdoor Trojans. We'll discuss all of these one by one. Okay. Then we have Botnet Trojans, Rootkit Trojans. Yeah. After that we have e-banking Trojans. Okay. Botnet Trojan, Rootkit Trojan, and e-banking Trojans. After that we have point of sale Trojan, defacement Trojans, service protocol Trojans, mobile Trojans, IoT Trojans, security software disabler Trojans, destructive Trojans, DDos attack Trojans, and command shell Trojans. These total 14 types of Trojans those we have. And for exam perspective, you must have the basics of basic means what's the functioning, how it works. Only this information about these Trojans. We'll discuss these in one slide, right? These are the big topics. Topics are not big like you know things like if it's obviously a Trojan, then you should have the experience in that, like remote access Trojan. I have experience with that. The Botnet Trojans. It's really interesting in DDoS. I'm sure you'll get that information in the DDoS, right? Mobile Trojans, IoT Trojans. We have all those topics we have about these, right? So I believe that will help us. And yep, from tomorrow we'll discuss about in part 2 we'll discuss about remote access Trojan, backdoor, botnet, rootkit, e-banking, and point of sales. Okay, I'm preparing these PPTs. If you need these PPTs, let me know. I'll share those this with you guys. And yeah, if you have any doubt, any question, don't hesitate to reach out me. You can put your comment, and I'll read it out. I will try to make it more perfect. So to help others, I'm able to make these videos with my job because I'm learning. Okay. Otherwise, it's very tough to, you know, to spare some time for videos and then learning and then this. No, it's really tough. But yeah, I have a chance. I'm enjoying it. And the motive is to complete CEH and CEH master exam as soon as possible. So next OSCP, CISSP, and not a CISSP, yeah, CISSP, and CISO. Like these are kinds of exams are waiting for me. Plan are at this level, and I'm at like this right now. I'm working on it. That's why continuously sharing my journey of CEH. I will keep sharing the journey of CISSP, and then further OSCP. Uh, the exams are very costly. Not only the exams, like the obviously without preparation, theoretical the things, I could not do uh, I could not learn much, right? YouTube, that is the source of the beneficial for who don't want to pay money, right? And but to clear the exam, you need best. Okay. I'm trying to be a best for you all guys. If you have any questions, any doubt, don't hesitate to reach out me through comments. Okay. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.